Okay, so this question gives you a little bit more of a hint of how to answer it than your exam will. And to answer this question, we're going to find the price per tissue in each box. So the first box is £8 and 7 pence, but we know we're going to work out our answers in pence. So I'm just going to do 807. And to work out the price per tissue, I'm going to divide that by the amount of tissues. So divide it by 24. So 807 divided by 24, and that is 33.625, so that would be 3 to 2 decimal places, which it asks us to do in the question. The next one, again, I'm going to do the pennies divided by 20, so 683 divided by 20, and this time it works out to 2 decimal places. Don't need to do anything, don't need to round it. And the last one is 623 divided by 15. So 623 divided by 15, and I do have to round this one because it's 41.5 and then 3 recurring, so it's just going to be 3. Okay, the last bit of the question is to work out which one is best value for money. Well, on 24 box they cost £33.63. Sorry, 33 pence. 33.63 pence. Oh, let's try that fourth time. 33.63 pence. For 20 boxes, they cost 34.15 pence each, and 15 tissue box is 41.53 pence each. So the 24 tissue box, or the 24 box, is the cheapest, or is the best value. And in your answer in the exam, you just explain that it's the cheapest price per tissue.